Today we're going to install a new battery on a 2016 Ford Fusion. First thing we're going to do is go ahead and remove these covers. We're going to put the battery right into the battery bay there. Alright, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and grab the positive terminal and set the positive terminal right inside of there. We're going to go ahead and grab the negative terminal, put the negative terminal right in there. Let's go ahead and tie those down. Let's go ahead and start off with the positive. Make sure that's nice and tight. Alright, let's go ahead and tie up the negative. What you're going to have to do is pick up the battery from this corner and with the other hand, tie it down. Alright, once you have that nice and tight, go ahead and slide it in. Put this cover back on. There it is. It's a little fighter. Now we're going to go ahead and put the little battery bracket back into place right down there. We'll go ahead and insert the screw right in here. This one is going to be a 5/16, so let's go ahead and tie this down. And real quick, what I did with this one was just realign it, reposition it right in the middle so that little flap closes down. We have our 5/16s here attached. Let's go ahead and drive this down. Perfect. And there it is. And that is how you install a new battery on a 2016 Ford Fusion. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.